This year, you're not going to have the opportunity to have your own locker. So instead, I'm going to be giving you a virtual locker just like this one, and you're going to have the opportunity to design and prettify your virtual locker using 8 or more images that represent you. This way, I will learn a little bit more about you as well. So on your locker, you can include images that represent things such as your family members, your pets, your hobbies, your interests, unique skills that you have, and things that are your favorites, such as your favorite color, sport, team, scientist, food, university, subject, etc. So there's so many things. Don't feel like you have to stick to this list. If you want to add things outside from this list, that's totally cool, as long as they are appropriate images. You will be receiving a copy of the following 2 slides. So the first slide is going to have your instructions, and the second slide is where you are going to be adding your own designs to your own locker. The first thing you want to do is you want to add your Bitmoji. In order to do that, you will have to download or add the Bitmoji Chrome extension, and it will look something like this. Once you have that added to your Chrome browser, you are then going to choose one Bitmoji of yourself, and all you have to do is drag it into this slide. After you add your Bitmoji, you are going to add your name to your locker. So you can choose to design your name, you can choose the font, you can choose the color. It's up to you how you want to do this. And once you have your name and your Bitmoji, next you're going to start designing your locker. So as you can see, I already have mine started. If we go back to the instructions, you'll notice that you have to have at least 8 images that represent you. So far, I have 5, so I need 3 more to go. In order to add an image, the easiest way to do this is to click the Explore button down here and search for images directly on your Google Slide page. Now, if you want an image that does not have a background, so for example, this picture of the plant right here does not have a background. It has a transparent background. So you're going to have to search for the name of the image that you're trying to look for and the word PNG. So for example, I want to search for a picture of a camera. So I will search camera PNG and go to images. And as you can see, most of these pictures right here are going to be pictures of cameras that do not have any background or that have a transparent background. I'm going to resize the camera, and then I can place it either in my locker or I can place it on the locker inside, outside, so around your locker or inside of it. Once you are done designing and decorating your locker, I want you to add a voice recording, and you're going to be telling me your name, explaining to me the pictures that you chose, and telling us why these pictures represent you. In order to add a voice recording to your slide, you will visit the following website. Once you are ready to begin recording your message, you will click on the microphone button down here. You might get an alert asking for permission to use your microphone. Please allow it to do so. All right, as you can see, when I pressed on the microphone, it automatically began recording my voice message. So once you're finished, you're going to click on the stop, and then you are going to click on save and share. Next, you will click on download, and you will notice that it will download your MP3 voice message. Next, you are going to visit your drive, and you are going to basically drag the voice recording into your drive or into a specific folder. You need to be able to locate it, okay? So make sure that you either place it in a folder where you can find it or simply drag it into your drive. Once your voice recording is added to your drive, you are going to insert audio, and you'll notice that your voice recording will pop up and you will click select. Make sure that you are uploading your voice recording to your school drive, not to your personal Gmail drive. Make sure it is your school account, because if you upload it to your personal account, you will not find it. All right, so you'll notice that a little voice recording or a little audio icon pops up. You can resize it, and that way you will have your name, the pictures that represent you, your Bitmoji, and a voice recording explaining your locker to us.